Hey Nash, what should we make?
The pigs in a blanket were good, but I think they'd be even better wrapped in bacon. I got us some, so let's make pigs in a meat blanket.
All right, let's make pigs in a meat blanket. Today, we're making another dish you could bring to or serve at any party or gathering. Super Bowl's coming up, but it could be any sort of party, any gathering. If you're just having some friends over and you want some sort of appetizers, this could be perfect for that. Or hey, maybe your kids love them, make it for your kids. But this is gonna be kind of a riff on pigs in a blanket, which we've done. This is gonna be pigs in a meat blanket. That sounds dirty. I don't know a better way to say it, but instead of wrapping the little smokies in crescent dough, we're gonna wrap them in bacon, put some brown sugar on them, give them a little bit of flavor. They're gonna be good. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so the first thing we do is take bacon. Now if you want the exact right amount of bacon, count your little smokies you have, divide that by 3, and that's how many pieces of bacon you need. So I have 33 that came in the package. So I'm gonna cut these into thirds. This is 11 pieces of bacon. I think that looks about right. All right, so then this part's real simple. We just take a little piece of bacon, take one of your little smokies here, wrap this guy up, and then we got these little skewers here, and I'm just gonna put them on the skewer. We're gonna go probably get 3 on a skewer. Take another little smoky, wrap it up, put it on the skewer. And you could use a single toothpick for each one. I just feel like this might be easier to handle them. Let's do that. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. All right, and now we're gonna dust these with some brown sugar so we get that kind of, that sort of candied bacon kind of taste over these little smokies. So my sugar might look a little weird. My brown sugar totally dried out, so I had to blend it to get it turned to powder again. So if you think it looks wonky, that's why. And a lot of it's just gonna fall off, so you can be real liberal with this. And if you're not into the sweet, you can totally use like chili powder or something like that, whatever your taste happens to be. All right. And we'll turn them all over. Then I'm just gonna hit these guys with a real light dusting of cayenne. If you're not into that, you could leave this part out. And some red chili flakes for good measure. We'll see if any of them actually stick. And we got them both on a rack in little pans. Put some foil in there just to collect the fat and whatnot. So now you could bake these or smoke these. You want to bake them at 350 just until the bacon is as crispy as you like it. So probably about 20 minutes, but it just depends on your oven. And again, how do you like it? My smoker only goes to 275, so we're gonna smoke it at 275 for however long it takes. So here we go. All right, time to take them out of the smoker. And there's our little pigs in a meat blanket. Time for a bite. Cheers. That did not quite have the effect of silverware, but it's so freaking delicious. It's like a big explosion of flavor in your mouth. That little bit of sweetness from the brown sugar, a little bit of spice from the cayenne and the red pepper flakes, plus the salty richness of the bacon, and then just that little smoky. It's a perfect little bite. I would venture to say, at least for me, probably even better than pigs in a blanket. But you be the judge. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. This is a great dish and super easy to make. So go try this. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
You know me, every day I'm hustling.
Well, we got these pigs in a meat blanket, pigs in a pork blanket. I don't know what to call these things that you wanted, but here you go. What do you think?
The richness from the bacon, the brown sugar and cayenne is almost as sweet and spicy as me, and dang, it's just a perfect bite.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Don't think there are no crocodiles because the water is calm.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, this is a great dish. It is super easy. It is stupidly delicious. And I think it'd be a huge crowd pleaser if you don't eat them all by yourself before you get to the party or before the party even starts. So go make these. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.